Mastering Aperture, a key word for IELTS Band 8.0. Imagine focusing a camera lens or adjusting the pupil of your eye. These are perfect examples of apertures in action. Today, we're exploring the word aperture, a term essential for achieving that coveted Band 8.0 score in your IELTS exam. Word type: aperture is a noun pronounced as ap-er-ture, meaning an aperture is an opening, hole, or gap, typically one that is small or narrow. In optics and photography, it refers to the adjustable opening in a lens that controls the amount of light passing through. More broadly, it can describe any opening that allows passage, such as in architecture or anatomy. Word history: the term aperture comes from the Latin word apertura, meaning opening. It entered the English language in the 15th century, initially used in scientific contexts before expanding to more general use. Antonyms: some antonyms for aperture include closure, obstruction, and blockage. Synonyms: synonyms include opening, gap, hole, slit, vent, and orifice. In specific contexts, words like diaphragm or iris might be used, especially when discussing camera lenses. Examples used in sentences: the photographer adjusted the aperture to allow more light into the camera, creating a brighter image. Scientists studied the small apertures in the leaf surface, which allow for gas exchange. The architect designed a series of apertures in the building's facade to create an interplay of light and shadow. Common errors in use: one common mistake is confusing aperture with exposure in photography. While aperture contributes to exposure, it specifically refers to the size of the opening, not the overall light sensitivity. Another error is using aperture interchangeably with hole or opening in all contexts. Remember, aperture often implies a degree of control or purposeful design, especially in technical fields. To truly master the word aperture and elevate your IELTS score, incorporate it into discussions about photography, architecture, or scientific processes. Understanding its nuanced usage across various fields will demonstrate the advanced vocabulary skills expected at the Band 8.0 level. Remember, aperture isn't just about openings. It's about precision, control, and the interplay between light and space.